Hey everybody, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Just wanted to show you a quick install video of our X3 sub boxes in a 2020 Can-Am. Come with me and we'll show you how it works. Alright, so the first step we're going to do here is we're going to disconnect the bolts on both sides that hold the brake lines to the car. Alright, the next step, on some of the newer cars, Can-Am has started zip tying the fuel line right above the bracket we need to release. So you have to cut that zip tie.
Yeah. Maybe the way to move around spacers or some shit.
And then below that zip tie is a T20 screw that holds down the brake line. Now what you'll do is lift the T and slide it over to give you enough slack to install the sub box.
Alright.
Okay. Alright, now that the brake line's loose, we'll take our box and just slide it in evenly while pulling the brake line off to the side. And then set the brake line on top of the box. And then you'll repeat for the other side. Alright, so now we're going to take the brake line and move it back over to the passenger side to give us enough slack to install the passenger box. Alright, now on the driver's side only, take the clamp off the brake line and flip it over to hold the brake line on the other side, and then put it back up underneath and put the bolts back in. Now go ahead and put the screw back in that holds the T-fitting for the brake line down. Alright, then go ahead and re-secure your fuel line. Alright, now that the boxes are in, we need to drill the holes. So what you're going to want to do is center your box, so you've got even gap, side to side, and front to back. You don't want the box touching any of the metal around there. And take your 1/4 inch drill bit, and go out at the edge of the speaker hole, and drill through the speaker box and into the floor pan. Alright, now we're going to take our bolts. The bolts need to come up from underneath into the box. Then you'll place the washers on and the nuts. And then go ahead and tighten everything up.
Before we run that antenna, let's just make sure we're like, come on.
And then you'll repeat on the other side. Thanks for watching our video on the installation of our Can-Am X3 2-seat upfire sub boxes.